Hi, I'm Julia Murtaugh. Welcome to 106 Merano Street, located in the beautiful hills of Danville, California, in the Hidden Valley neighborhood. Enjoy this spacious open floor plan with impressive 20-foot ceilings, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Highlights of this home include updated kitchen and bathrooms, elegant living room with a fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors, large bedrooms, and a spacious primary suite with a private balcony overlooking the valley. The family room is lined with large windows that provide great natural light and provide a view of the tranquil garden. The location cannot be beat, surrounded by lush hills, friendly neighbors, and not far from award-winning schools and downtown Danville. As you know, we are in an incredible market right now, and we have a limited amount of time that this beautiful home will be on the market. If you'd like to see the house, please give us a call, text, or email today. We'd be happy to show you this beautiful home.